Choose a high-demand skill: graphic design, Excel, data analytics, business analyst, digital marketing and SEO, social media management, general AI tools, web design, CRM automation. Learn from free platforms: YouTube, Udemy, Figma, ChatGPT. Build small projects: sample posters, dashboards, websites, reels. Create profiles on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, LinkedIn services. Offer entry-level gigs: graphic design, right-pointing arrow posters, visiting cards, social media posts. Excel right-pointing arrow reports, automations, dashboards. Content writing, right-pointing arrow blogs, SEO content, LinkedIn posts. Target earning: 10,000 rupees minus 15,000 per month. Start posting, uploading work samples of yours on LinkedIn and Instagram for engaging clients. Share before, after case studies of your projects. Network with startups, cafes, small businesses that need affordable design, marketing, services. Scale to 20,000 rupees minus 30,000 per month, part-time. Create packages, services, e.g., monthly social media kit equals 15 posts plus 2 reels. Build a small client base, 5 to 10 recurring clients. Outsource simple tasks to juniors, interns. Right-pointing arrow focus on strategy. Aim for 30,000 rupees plus per month equals your second salary. Checkmark: by end of 2025, you'll have a solid skill, a freelance brand, recurring income clients, financial backup beyond your job. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my video.